You're welcome to my channel one more time. Today I'll be doing I'll be showing us how to make this lovely bead. So I'm having my fish 9.3, I'm having my cutter, and I'm having a straw bead and gold size 3. So you put your thread, your fishing line, whatsoever you want to use, inside needle. You pick one gold, one sand bead. You stop it. No, you don't stop. You pick one. You pick one gold, one straw bead, one gold, one straw bead, one gold, and one straw bead, making 6. Let me pick one more, making 6. We are not stopping because we are not doing spiral. I'm going to tie this. This is it. 3 3. Then you tie. Tie 2 3 times. I prefer tying. There's another way that you can do it. You take it inside, but I prefer tying it. So it's more safer for me. After tying, then you go through the first sand bead. You go through the first sand bead. Oh, sorry. Go through the first sand bead. Then you pick one sand bead, one straw bead. Then you now go in after picking one sand bead and one straw bead. Let it go down. Then you now use this one. Use. Can you see? Take one sand bead, one straw bead. Go in through this sand bead. One sand bead, one straw bead. We are stepping up now. You are stepping up. Then you step up. You use this one that is up. Then you take one sand bead, one straw bead. Let it go down. Then you use the one that is up. And you see, you take one sand bead, one straw bead, then you go through this. One sand bead, one straw bead. This is how you continue to do it to the length. If you want a necklace, you can use 20 inches. So you continue. Can you see? You pick one sand bead, one straw bead. I are coming. Come. To go down. This is the way you continue to do it to any length you want. Any length of your choice. Can you see? Before you now fix your hook, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the question bell button so that you'll be notified, you'll be informed when I drop another video. To my subscriber, I love you. So this is how you continue doing it. Can you see? So try it at home. If you have any question, please drop it at the comment box. This is the earring. And this is the bangle. So if you want your own, I can do it for you. This is for somebody, one of my customers. Thank you. See you on my next video. Thanks.